Today, we will show you how to restrict access to an article in Joomla 4. There are times when we need to restrict access to certain articles on our website. This could be because the article is still incomplete or it's intended only for a specific group of users. In such cases, we need to ensure that the article is only visible to the intended audience. To achieve this, we start by setting the default access level of the article to public in the Article Manager. But to restrict access, we can use the Access feature in the right sidebar of the article editor. There are several options available in the Access drop-down, including Public, Guest User, Registered User, Special, and Super Users. If we choose Public and go to the site blog, then we can see the article will be visible to all users. However, if we select Guest User, only guests will be able to view the article on our site. If we choose Registered User, only registered users can view the article. Now, visit your site. If you're not registered, you won't be able to see the article. You can try again by registering and visiting the site as a registered user. Then only you will be able to see that article. Similarly, we can create special users who can view only that specific article. And if we want to make the article visible to only a super user for a certain period, we can restrict other privileged users from seeing that article. By utilizing these options, we can easily restrict access to our articles and make them user-specific, ensuring the right content is available to the right people.